Mi daw niya ingkapat na training session para kang Lowland Vegetable Derby and Technology Demonstration ni Mabalacat City LGU ang poning City Agriculture Office. Merapat ya ini kang Barangay Santa Ines, Mabalacat City, Pampanga inyang July 4. Miras laki ang 30 ortelano reng mekyabe kang mesabing training apani muna na ning Enviroscope Synergy Corporation ampong Ramgo International. Sentro na ng diskusyon kay merapat na pamagsane in management and control of pests and diseases in vegetable crops. Maragul neman pasalamat i Mabalacat City Mayor Chris Garbo para kareng sablang mikyabe kalupad reng farmers, trainers at miyayalwang organisasyon. Agpangking opisyal, maulagala reng makanining klase ning programa para kang pamagpasikon kang agricultural practices ampong pamag-promote kang sustainable farming king balen. Nasa nakanong gamitan dala reng karelang abalo uling makasawpya iti king karelang kabiyayan. Samantala, may kiabela kang Enhanced Partnership Against Hunger and Poverty o EPAF, conference ring representante darang miyayalwang community-based organization o CBO. Merapat ya ing aktibidad kang St. Isidore Farmer Resort Incorporated, Santa Ana, Pampanga. Nasa nakanunini ang miragdagan po ing belwan darang mekyabe dikil kang procurement process ng gobyerno bang aka partner dala ng Department of Social Welfare and Development o DSWD ang timong qualified service provider. Penimunan ng Procurement Section Chief Adrian D. Morales impamagsane ang pong orientation kang government procurement process. Aparti pa keni, pepasyag namo naman ng ahensya ring miyayalwang oportunidad ang pong benepisyo kareng kwalipikadong suppliers ng DSWD para keng karelang residential care facilities ang pong supplementary feeding program. May ka-orientation mo naman para keng aliwapang programa ng DSWD, kalupa na ng Sustainable Livelihood Program ang pong EPAP Lending Program iba't keng Land Bank of the Philippines. Kingalwa pang balita, may daw niya mo namang Regional Leadership Seminar and Chapter Compliance Training in Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants o PICPA, kapamilyatan ng PICPA Central Luzon. Penimunanen ng Senior Regional Director Rowena Reyes at Junior Regional Director Ronald Leabres, kayabe deng Regional Sectoral Representative ing mesabing conference. Merapat ya ini inyang milabas sa July 6, ken Pikpangan Foundation Incorporated, building na ning PICPA Pampanga Chapter ken Sindalan City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Labilang metong deng local chapters ning PICPA ame kiabe keng conference ameni batan keng miyayalwang lugal king Central Luzon. Apin din ni ring local chapters na ning PICPA keng Angeles City, Cabanatuan, Olongapo, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Pampanga, Freeport Area of Bataan, Bulacan at Bataan. Kaya bela naman deng representative iba't keng PICPA Central Luzon. Nasa nakanuning workshop ay ni alakwas siyang isalese reng skills dareng miyembro keng karelang chapter membership, performance at leadership. Yako po kayong talasuyo, Danica Gino, ating pusong makabalen.